डाउट्स में अटकते,
सब्जेक्ट्स में लटकते, कब तक हम रहेंगे सर पटकते।
अब वेदांतु देगा प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा।
समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा। बढ़िया टीचर्स प्रॉब्लम्स चुटकी में सुलझाएंगे, डाउट सारी जिंदगी से
Raj, I got your doubt. This is your answer.
समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो Vedantu. Learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hey class, good evening everyone. How are you all बच्चों? Okay, so welcome all to the another session for the Sprint 9 series, the final countdown time period. Right. So today, as you know that we have last class we have finished lines and angles topic. So today we'll be starting the triangles topic. Okay, so today we'll be starting the triangles topic, and this topic also will be covering in 2 sessions, right? Because it's a huge chapter and they are very important questions, so many important questions. So we'll be covering it in 2 sessions. So this is the current session going on right now. The previous session we had of Ankita ma'am, and the next session will be tomorrow of Abhishek sir. Okay, now bacho, I want to know you about the micro courses for 2020. These are the specific chapter courses. Like if you want to buy the courses for 1 chapter or 2 chapter, you can go for the micro courses. The link to go there, and here also you'll be getting the live learning. The link to go there is vdnt.in/YT micro. Use the code GPMIC, you'll get up to 95% discount. Now those who want to do the revision for the whole syllabus, okay, so you can go for the crash course for class 9th. We'll be providing full syllabus revision of maths, science, social science and English. Right now you'll be getting in this test series unlimited doubt solving and assignment, unlimited doubt solving and an assignment as well. So the link to register for the crash course is vdnt.in/YT9 CBSE. Use the code GPCC and you will get the whole course for maths, science, social science and English at the rate of rupees 7,999. Okay bachcho, now this is the schedule for the sprint 9th. This is by Abhishek sir, physics by Abhishek sir, chemistry by Anubha ma'am, mathematics by me. So this is the period we are right now here, triangles 1, okay, 11th December, and this is the math schedule. This is the biology schedule by Ankita ma'am. Right now bachcho, if you are new here, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, do give us a subscribe button, press that like button also, and let's start the class. So as you know, in this triangle topic, the basic topics are basics related to triangles. What are the basic properties which are related to triangles? Congruence of triangles, side angle side congruence criteria, and angle side angle criteria, congruence criteria. There are many. We have side angle side, we have angle side angle. Okay, after that we have side side side. Okay, we have right angle, hypotenuse side rule, we have angle angle side rule. So total 5 criteria are there in your syllabus. Okay, now let's start with the first question. If one of the angles of a triangle is 75 degree and the difference of the other 2 angle is 35, find out the largest angle of the triangle. Okay, so one angle is 75. Let's say the other two angles has a difference of 35 degrees. So let's say one angle is x, other will be x plus 35, and one angle is already given 75 degrees. So my equation will be x plus 35 plus 75. Sum of 3 angles will be equal to 180 degree. So we'll be getting 2x plus 35 plus 75 will be equal to what? 110 is equal to 180. So you'll be getting 2x is equal to 30, 2x is equal to 70. So you'll be getting x is equal to 35. So if x is equal to 35, this angle will be 35 plus 35, 70, right? So here we can say the largest angle is 75 degree only. The largest angle of the triangle is 75 degree only, right? Chalo, let's move to the next question. So this is a very basic question. Okay, angle sum property related. Let's move to the next topic. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to AB and angle B is equal to 80 degree. Find the value of angle A. So we have a triangle ABC. I have been telling you bacho, always draw the diagram. It's very important to draw the diagram. So we have triangle ABC in which BC is equal to AB. So BC is equal to AB. These 2 sides are equal. If these 2 sides are equal, angle opposite to them will also be equal. So I can say opposite to this side this angle and opposite to this side this angle. Both the angles are equal. Then they have given angle B is equal to 80 degree. What will be the value of angle A? So let's say this is x, this is also x. So now you can say x plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. you will be getting 2x is equal to 100, so we can say x is equal to 50 degree. So the value of angle A is equal to what? Option C, 50 degree. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. The next question we have is this. In the figure, x and y are 2 points on equal sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC such that AX is equal to AY. Prove that XC is equal to YB. Now, but see, whenever you have to prove these kind of questions, okay, we try to use the congruency of the triangles. Now, whenever we have to prove any two triangles congruent, at least 3 things we should know about them in the order of either all the 3 sides, or 2 sides and the angle between them, or 2 angles and the side which is containing both the angles. If they are right angle triangle, then right angle will be the equal part, so any two other 2 sides should be equal. And then after that we have 2 angles in the row and then the third side. So any 3 topics. So try to identify for which triangles you know 3 things. Those triangles, try to prove them congruent. Understood? So here you want to prove that this XC is equal to XY. XC is equal to XY, and they have told what? AX is equal to AY. They have told already that AX is equal to AY. Okay, it is given. AX is equal to AY, and also one more thing is given. One more thing is also given. AB is equal to AC. Equal sides. So these 2 sides are also equal. These 2 are also equal. Okay. So as you can see clearly, bacho, if I see, now I know that angle A is common here by, if I take these 2 triangles like this, one is triangle this and one is triangle this, because I will choose the triangle in such a way. See what I want to prove? I want to prove XC is equal to YB. So I will choose the triangles in such a way that the triangle should contain XC is equal to YB. So I will choose the triangle in triangle ABY and triangle ACX. First thing I can say, bacho, see here, I know AX is equal to AY. Then I can say angle A is common. And then I can say AB is equal to AC. So here you can clearly see side, angle and side. Okay, and here you can say side, angle and side. Right? So here actually I should write AY is equal to AX. AY is equal to AX because I am writing first ABY. Okay, so by this I can say, by which rule? Side, angle, side. So by SAS I can say triangle ABY is congruent to triangle ACX. Okay, this is the sign for congruency. So if these 2 are congruent, rest all the things of those triangles are equal. So by CPCT is what? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. So if 2 triangles are equal or 2 triangles are congruent, all the parts, all the angles, all the sides will be equal to the corresponding parts. So here you can see BY and XC are corresponding parts. So BY is equal to XC, which we wanted to prove by CPCT. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, right? Chalo. So bacho, this is the solution. Let's move. So there is the solution written here as well. Let's move to the next question. The next question is this. The question says, in the figure, diagonal AC of a quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal AC of a quadrilateral ABCD bisects the angle A and angle C. So this angle BAC is equal to angle DAC and angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. Prove that AB is equal to AD. We have to prove that this AB is equal to AD and CB is equal to CD. So I need to prove these 2 triangles congruent. It is very easy. By see, this angle and this angle are equal. Then this angle and this angle are equal and the side containing them. AC is common for both. So by angle side angle we can clearly say that both the triangles will be equal. By angle side angle. Very easy. Right? Let's move to the next part. In the figure, C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. That means I can say AC is equal to BC. Whatever information you get, keep writing it. Okay? Midpoint of AB. Angle BAD is equal to angle CBE. Angle BAD is equal to angle CBE. Both these angles are equal. Okay? And then they have told that angle ECA is equal to angle DCB. Prove that triangle DAC is congruent to EBC. So let's see, what is the triangle DAC? By triangle DAC is this part and triangle ECB is this part. So if I want to prove these two congruent, bachcho, you can see here this angle is equal, this AC is equal to BC is equal, then I can say third part, sir, I want this angle to be equal to this angle. Correct? But they have not given these two angles are equal. They have only told us that only these two angles are equal. I want to get that angle DCA is equal to angle ECB, but I have only been given ECA is equal to DCB. So what I'll do, bachcho, they have given me that angle ECA is equal to angle DCB. So in this equation, what I will do, on both the sides, I will add this angle. Which angle? Angle ECD. So let's add ECD here, ECA plus angle ECD, and let's add ECD here as well. Angle DCB is plus angle ECD. So in both the angles, bachcho, so in ECA, if you add angle ECD, it will give you angle DCA is equal to, and here in angle DCE, if you add angle ECD, it will give you angle ECB. Now that is what I needed, right? So now I can say in these two triangles, first thing I know that angle DAC is equal to angle EBC. DAC is equal to angle EBC, right? Then I know that AC is equal to AB, and then I have got this also, angle DCA is equal to angle ECB. So by angle side angle rule, I can say the triangles are congruent. And if the triangles are congruent, bachcho, if the triangles are congruent, by CPCT I can say this side will be equal to this side. So you just have to focus on which triangles to prove congruent. Your focus should be on which triangles to prove congruent. This is the solution. I'm showing it one by one here as well. So if you have any doubt, you can further pause this video here and you can re-watch the solution. Now in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. Okay, so AB is equal to AC shown there. D and E are points on BC such that BE, okay, this BE is equal to CD. Show that AD is equal to AE. We need to prove that AD is equal to AE. Now, bachcho, we know that if AB is equal to AC, definitely the angle opposite to, in an isosceles triangle, when the two sides are equal, the angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So I know this angle B is equal to angle C. Then they have told that BE is equal to DC. That is what is given? CD. Now you know that to prove AD is equal to AE, I might think about taking this triangle and taking this triangle. Correct? I might think about taking that triangle and this triangle. Now bachcho, think carefully. What happened is you have AB is equal to CD. You have AB is equal to CD and you have angle B also is equal to angle C. If anyhow you can get that BD is equal to EC, I can easily prove them congruent using side angle side rule. Correct? But they have not given me BD is equal to CE. They have given me BE is equal to CD. So now BE is what, bachcho? From here to here. And CD is what? From here to here. Now what I thought is that DE part is common in both. Let's subtract DE, or let us say BE can be written as BD plus DE and DC can be written as DE plus EC. So here you can see DE to DE got cancelled. So we have got what we wanted. BD is equal to EC. So once this part is given, bachcho, I can clearly say in triangle ABD and triangle AEC or ACE, ABD and ACE, first thing I know that AB is equal to AC, then I have angle B is equal to angle C, and then I have BD is equal to EC using this equation. So now I can say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACE. So by CPCT I can say that AD is equal to AE, right? So this is how, bachcho, you have to think in order to get the answer that which triangles to pick. Okay, so try to pick the triangles where we know three informations in the order provided. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. The next question, this is the solution again. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is this. What does this question says? If D is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AC, D is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AC of a right triangle ABC. So this ABC is a right angle triangle here. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, prove that BD, this BD is equal to half of AC. This BD is equal to half of AC. So now bachon, what we will do in this question, okay, what we need to do is we need to do some construction. How do we do it? What we'll do that this BD na, I will extend it to a point E. I will extend it to a point E such that BD is equal to DE. By this I can do, right? And wherever it E is there, na, just join it with C. Wherever it is, just join it with C. Okay, so what I can tell now, bachcho, let us talk about the triangle. In triangle ABD. In exam, bachcho, you have to write your construction that extend BD to a point E such that BD is equal to DE. Understood? Then I will say in triangle ABD and ABD and triangle CED, what I can say is AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to CD, but it is already given D is the midpoint, right? Then I can say that, sir, angle ADE is equal to angle CDE because of vertically opposite angle. And then I can say that, sir, BD is equal to DE because this is what we have done using construction. So if this is true, so by side angle side rule, I can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CED. But if these two are congruent, now I can say that, sir, AB is equal to CE, right? So by CPCT I can say AB is equal to CE, and I can say that, sir, this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. Right? They are congruent triangles, so everything will be equal. Everything will be equal. So bachcho, see what I have got. I can say that, sir, angle BAC is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle C is equal to angle ECA. Now, if these two angles are equal, bachcho, try to focus here. Try to see that by if these two angles are equal, I can see that this AC is a transversal line on the two lines AB and CE. And you can see this Z formation is here, which we know is interior alternate angle. So bachcho, by using the converse of interior alternate angle, I can say that if the pair of interior alternate angles formed are equal, it means that the sides will be parallel. Okay, so now here using converse of interior alternate angle, I can say since interior alternate angles formed are equal, I can say AB is parallel to EC. If AB is parallel to EC, this BC also one more transversal. So I can say this angle plus this angle should be equal to 180 degree. So I can say angle ABC plus angle ECB should be equal to 180 degree. Angle ABC is already 90 degree, so this will also be 90 degree. So angle ECB is also equal to 90 degree. So what we have learned? We have learned कि भैया this angle is also 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. Now we'll come to our point. Once we have got it कि this angle is also 90 degree. Now see what I know. I know that in triangle, what two triangles I'll pick? I'll pick the triangle ABC and triangle ECB. In these two triangles, bachcho, I know AB is equal to EC. This angle is equal to this angle and BC is the common side. So by side angle side rule, side angle side rule. I can say both the triangles are congruent, right? So I can easily prove, so after this I can easily prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ECB. If these two are congruent, bachcho, if these two triangles are congruent, I have got EB is equal to AC. What I have got? I have got EB or BE is equal to AC. By hypotenuse of those two triangles will also be equal. So we have got BE is equal to AC. Now focus here. If BE is equal to AC, if BE is equal to AC, BE can be written as BD plus DE, or I can say, sir, see, BD and DE are equal. Okay, so this BE will be equal to double of BD. By BD and DE are equal. If it is X, this is X, so BE is equal to what? 2X. So I can say BE can be written as BD double of BD is equal to AC. So you can say BD is equal to half of AC. Okay, bachcho? Very important question. Understood? Clear? So I'll just show you the solution one more time. How do you write in the examination? So this is how, bachcho, you will write. First we have to write the construction. Okay, then step by step we'll be proving these two triangles congruent first, ADB and CDE. Once we have proved them congruent, then I will try to prove that AB and CE are parallel, and then I will get that angle C is also 90 degree. Once I have got the 90 degree, pick the two right angle triangles and you will get your answer. Okay, so one by one I have shown the solution one more time. Let's move to the next question. The next question is this. In the figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral, okay, and they are saying that T and U are respectively points on PS and RS, okay, such that PQ is equal to RQ, angle PQT, this angle and this angle is equal, and these two angles are equal, okay, which is shown in the diagram. This side and this side is equal. This one part, wait, this angle and this angle is equal, and double side, double angles. This right? Now prove that QT is equal to QU. Where is QT? Acha bhaiya, here is QT and here is QU. So we need to prove them congruent. So bachcho, see, if you directly go for QT is equal to QU, suppose if you take this triangle and this triangle, so you cannot prove them congruent now. Why? Because you know only two things about them. You don't have any other thing to be taken equal. Okay, so what you need to do is, first we need to think larger. Okay, we need to think larger, that what is the bigger picture here. So you can see ki bhai, there is a side, okay, which side? There is a side angle, there is a side QS which is common in both the triangles formed. Okay, wait, I think my leg is okay. Chalo. So there is a side, this QS is common, okay, in these two triangles also, in these two triangles also, right? You can see that. Now if you take triangle QTS and QUS, you won't have two things. You will have only two things only. You won't have three things. So we will start by taking these two angles, these two triangles. So in these two triangles, I can say in triangle PQS and triangle RQS, first thing I know that PQ is equal to QR. It is given already. Now bachcho, see, if PQT, they have given that angle PQT is equal to angle RQU, and then they have given angle TQS is equal to angle UQS. So if I add both, see, PQT plus TQS is equal to what? Angle PQS. And here RQU plus angle UQS is equal to RQS. Right? So this is an information I have got extra. So now second point I can say, sir, angle PQS is equal to angle RQS. And the third thing, bachcho, I can say is QS is equal to QS. Both are common. So by side angle side rule, I can say triangle PQS is congruent to triangle RQS. Right? Once I have proved these two triangles are congruent, and now I have got this information ki sir, these two angles are also equal. So now I can say by CPCT that sir, angle PSQ is equal to angle RSQ by CPCT. Okay. Now, what is our aim? We need to prove that QT is equal to QU. So now, let us take these two triangles. Okay, let us take this red triangle. So now I will take in triangle QTS and triangle QUS. Okay, first thing bacho, I know that angle TQS is equal to angle UQS. Then I know that QS is equal to QS, and then I know this also from this part, that angle PSQ is equal to RSQ, which I have proved here. Correct? So if these three are equal, I can say triangle QTS is congruent to triangle QUS, and now I can say that by CPCT, okay, what is the rule used here? The rule used here is angle side angle. So by CPCT, now I can say that QT is equal to QU. Okay, so this way, bacho, you have to think that in which triangles three things are equal to each other. So this way we'll proceed. So that is the only concept here. What I want to tell you is, whenever you are solving a question, try to think in such a way that in which triangles three things are known to be equal to each other. Then only for those triangles only you can proceed with the congruency of those triangles. Otherwise, if you know only two things about two triangles, you won't be able to prove them congruent. So you need three things to prove them congruent. Understood? So in this way, bachcho, approach all the questions, look at the diagrams very clearly. Okay, make the diagram whenever the diagram is not given. Try to think about the diagram, all the properties you should remember. So bachcho, this is the solution once again. If you have any doubt, you can rewatch this session. You can pause this video here and you can rewatch the session. So this is all in this class now, bachcho. Now this is a homework question. In the given figure, triangle PQC and PRC are such that QC, this QC is equal to PR and PQ is equal to CR. Prove that angle PCQ is equal to angle CPR. Okay, so you need to prove that angle PCQ is equal to CPR. Try to solve this question. Let's see how many of you will be able to give me the correct, will be able to get it. Okay, bachcho. So now this is all in this class. Wait. Yeah. So this is the session going on right now. I have already told you the details of the previous session and the next session. One more time, bachcho, thank you so much for making Vedantu the #1 app, for making the Vedantu app the winner for the User's Choice App Award. Okay, so if you have not downloaded the app, and this award is by Google Play. Okay, bachcho, so if you have not downloaded the app yet, go download that app. There you'll be getting the schedule of the master classes, you'll be getting a free study material, you'll be getting practice test, everything you'll be getting there. So go and download that app. Okay, now bachcho, micro courses are there available at Vedantu, where you can learn specific chapter if you have doubt in those specific chapters. Also, you can go for the whole crash course as well, where the revision of math, science, social science and English will be taken care of by Vedantu. Full syllabus revision will be done. So the registration for micro course will be on this vdnt.in/ytmicro. Use the code GPMIC, you'll get 95% off. For crash course, go to this link vdnt.in/yt9cbsc. Use the code GPCC, you will get the whole discounted rate of 7,999 for all the subjects. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side in today's class. Like this video and share this video with your friends, those who are not aware of this platform yet, and help them in learning the topics more clearly. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification for each and every upcoming class. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next session with some more problems, with some more good problems, some more to prove things which many students are very afraid. But what I want to tell you before that is attempt all those questions and see in which triangles three things are known to us. That is the main logic to know that which triangles you can prove congruent. Many students will ask, sir, how do you know which triangles to take? So the only simple trick is that you have to figure it out in which triangles you know that three things are given equal. Understood? As simple as that. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Good night. See you soon. Bye bye.